So for that scramble, you need to hold the cube, white color on top and green on front, and here's the scramble it. So here it is scrambled, and make sure to hold the white on the bottom and blue in front. So do this, F prime and R prime to insert the cross, then rotate orange at the back, then do this, then made up pair, insert, then this made up pair, insert, and do a T-pun, which is this algorithm.